Here's how to make your very own engineer O-Vision goggles and helmet like Bitz and Bob. For the goggles, you will need a cardboard tube, pink paint and a paintbrush, scissors, sticky tape, and 2 pieces of ribbon. For the helmet, you will need scissors, chalk, a pen, a cardboard box big enough for your head, 2 tinfoil pie dishes, and some glue. To make the Engineer O-Vision goggles, take your cardboard tube and cut it in half. Then paint them pink. Now stick the 2 tubes together using sticky tape. Here comes the pink ribbon. Tie it around the sides of each goggle. Make sure the knot is on the edge. And now that you're done, all you have to do is tie the ribbon and pop it on your head. Brilliant! Now let's make Bob's helmet. Take your cardboard box and draw 2 lines, one at the top and one at the bottom, leaving a finger-length space in the middle. On the bottom line, use a mug as a guide to draw a semicircle. Then get a grown-up to cut it out. This is the window for your face. Now comes the exciting part. Let's decorate it! You can decorate your helmet however you want. I'm using chalk and a felt tip pen to make it look like Bob's helmet. You can even stick tinfoil pie dishes on with glue. You can find more brilliant makes just like these on the CBeebies YouTube channel.